Hello students. Today you'll be learning about something called the Big Six. During this lesson you'll be watching a video that explains the steps of the Big Six strategy. You will also be given a handout that covers the components of the Big Six and put together an online puzzle to help you remember the steps. Okay, let's get started learning about the Big Six. We have 3 goals to accomplish with this lesson. By the time you're through discovering the Big Six, you should be able to 1. Understand the steps involved in the Big Six strategy, 2. Explain the Big Six strategy to another student, and 3. You will be able to put your knowledge into practice by using the Big Six strategy in our super secret research project coming up next week. But wait, there's more. Before we go on, there's something you should know. The Big Six strategy is so important that several organizations that decide what students should know all agree that learning to do research is a valuable skill. One of these organizations is called ISTE, I-S-T-E, the International Society for Technology in Education. The 3A standard states that students will employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual and creative pursuits. Did you get that? Effective research strategies. The American Library Association has standards for the 21st century learner. And number 2.1.1 says students need to continue an inquiry-based research process by applying critical thinking skills, analysis, synthesis, evaluation, organization, to information and knowledge in order to construct new understandings, draw conclusions, and create new knowledge. Wow, that's the Big Six all over the place. Then, of course, our very own Texas TEKS lists Standard 4C as students need to compile information from primary and secondary sources in systematic ways using available technology. That means to find sources and put together information. You may also have heard of the Common Core. Writing Standard number 8 says, gather relevant information from multiple print and digital sources using search terms effectively. Assess the credibility and accuracy of each source, and quote or paraphrase the data and conclusions of others while avoiding plagiarism and following a standard format for citation. That's a lot of words to say. Research skills are necessary. When you enter the lesson site, be sure to click on the squares in the right order, starting with the pre-assessment quiz. Then keep going to the finish line. You will be a Big Six winner.